Selling lifestyle products online like a hobby is very easy, and building a brand that needs a business mindset. Are you ready to grow? Many women post their lifestyle products like candles, apparel, saris, their own handmade work like earrings online. They keep scrolling and then wait and hope that business will come without proper planning, without proper pricing, and no target set. Then they say the business isn't coming. The truth is, it's not that business is failing, it's your mindset that needs to change from hobby to business. The difference is between the struggle and success. There are three mindset shifts that you need to make so that you can succeed. The first one is from passion to responsibility. No, I'll do it someday. I will make this business, I will take this business online someday and then make it big. That doesn't happen. If you have started a business, do it seriously, have a proper business mindset, and treat it like business. The second one is from sales shy to sales confidence. You are asking money for a product which has a value. So don't feel guilty asking money for the product that you are offering. The third is instead of random posting, do plan your business. Plan your collections, pricings, and the profits. Treat it like a business, and the business will treat you with more profits. When your mind thinks like a business owner, you grow. Type mindset, and I'll share my own business affirmations that help me grow my Indian Vogue and E Sutra. Your business won't grow until you grow.